Hello, parents. Welcome to the 2017-2018 school year. I want to take you through my website so that if you have any questions at any time, you should be able to pull this up and it will help you and hopefully guide you through the questions that you may have. On the opening page, you see here just a picture, some of the things that we do within the class. There's a slideshow, as well as the goals within the physical education department and why PE is important. One of the things that I have put on here is my beginning of the school year letter. By clicking on that, it'll take you through information of what will be included within your child's physical education program, as well as the days when your child has PE. It goes through my expectations and what happens if you don't follow those expectations within the class. During the school year, I will be doing physical fitness testing. If you click on the physical fitness testing, pull up, it will show you what tests we are currently working on. At this time, we are currently working on the curl up test. So if you scroll through the tests, you should get to a slide that shows you which test we are working on. Currently, we are not working on any tests, so it just shows you each individual test. We just finished up the PACER test, so be sure to ask your child how they did. Next down, we have a class calendar. I don't do much with the class calendar. This is something to look forward to. Maybe next year I will start putting in the class calendar. The assignments blog. In here, I will often put the quizzes that the students will be taking within the unit. Currently, I have no assignments. Cedar Heights Elementary School is Blue Zone certified. If you click on the Blue Zone certified, it takes you through the different policies that we have met in order for us to be Blue Zone certified. You can click on the video, which takes you through all of the policies. All right, I'll go ahead and stop it there. But again, as you can see, it shows different teachers throughout the building explaining why Blue Zones is important to your family and your student. Go back here to the main page. As you scroll down, within the classroom, we do a lot of brain breaks. If you click on brain breaks, it will take you to another site where the Cedar Falls physical education teachers have put together a bunch of brain breaks to do within the classroom. This would also be a great idea for you and your child to do at home, especially if you're inside with the cold temperatures right now. And as you can see, we have many different options for brain breaks. This one here is at the car wash. I'll just play just a little bit. Seems as though things are a little bit slow. We can try a different one here. Oh, never mind. Here we go. As a PE staff, we all met. A lot of our own children joined us through these brain breaks. You can project it on your screen within your classroom, and students can follow along right with us. Enjoy all of the breaks. I'm going to go ahead and stop here, and I'm going to take it back. It will also pull you up to my YouTube channel when you go to those brain breaks, which has some other videos that I have created. Down underneath the professional development, I've done many presentations on FitStep Pros, which your student wears during physical education class, so you can always take a look at that. We also have using Twitter and then apps to use within the physical education department. And again, these are all resources for other physical education teachers around the district as well as around the United States. So, with that being said, that is a closer look at my own personal website. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I look forward to having your child in a physical education class at Cedar Heights Elementary. Thank you, and have a good day.